going to show you how to properly place the rods.
My model here already has the eyelids taped. If you have questions about this, see our last video of taping the eyelids. But today I'm going to show you how to properly place the rods. On this eye, I will show you an incorrect method, and on this eye, I will show you the correct. So again, this is incorrect here. And a lot of the times I see people leaving the skin out. You want to get it as close to the lash line as possible. Another thing that you want to watch is to make sure that the shield isn't drooping down or isn't drooping up. And then for this one, this will be the correct placement. I want to get it as close to the lash line as possible here, and it should be hugging the eye. And as a stylist, it should almost create like a smiley face smiling back at you. I know that's cheesy, but it shouldn't be drooping down or up, and it should just be completely flush with the eye with no skin showing in between that lash line.